Good morning, third graders. Good morning. This is a video guide about the exam. Okay? I'm not going to give you the answers, right? It's just a guide because if you need an idea how maybe it's coming the exam. The lesson 4 is going to be the first lesson that is going to be evaluated in the exam. And the lesson 4 talk about remember, right? Circle the letter of the answer is below. The polar bear is talking about the Arctic life, right? Remember the tundra, the icebergs, the penguin, the animals. The polar bears is in the top of the food chain. You have to read the lesson and read the classwork. Polar bears are at the top of the Arctic food chain because remember, right? You have the answers already. Most of the Arctic Circle is right the Arctic Ocean, covering tundra, both A and B. Lichen. Lichen is a kind of grass, a kind of brush, a bush, both fungus in alga. Remember, right, is important to remember. Why do Arctic animals need to get fat for the winter? Write a short description of tundra. What is tundra? All of this is about the lesson 4. Super easy, right? The lesson 5. The lesson 5 talk about which of the following are benefits of being of the social insects, right? In the selection, ants that can grow their own food are called, remember, the bees, the ants, and the function of every insect in the nest or in the anthill, right? So gardeners, farmers, queen, termites. Complete statement with the word from the selection. The is the most important bee in the hive. Remember, right? So, in the second part, an ant that lives in the colony, which probably live a longer life than an ant that lives in the own, because this question is about the two kinds of insects, the insects that live together with the other insects and the insects that live alone. In your own words, describe some of the characteristics of the social insect. Very good. The lesson 6. If you remember, the lesson 6 is about the coral reef and underwater world and what kinds of creatures live in the coral reef and how do they interact with one another. The coral reef is about the lesson and the communities, right? That how can we save the reef and the communities of the reef. Reef is a place, a habitat with the marine life and marine animals live there. Is a diversity place. It's a place with diversity, sorry, kind of animals. This is the lesson 6 about what is coming the exam. Okay, so good luck, study. Love you so much. Bye bye.